Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican hot sauce only way. Gather 10 Scotch bonnet peppers, 2 carrots, 1 cup white vinegar, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tsp salt, and a blender. Wash and trim peppers, chop carrots, and peel garlic. Add everything to the blender with a little water, pulse to desired texture, and adjust salt and vinegar to taste before bottling. Handle peppers carefully and wear gloves to protect your skin and eyes, especially with Scotch bonnets. Decide whether to remove seeds based on how hot you want the sauce to be. Clean and sterilize jars or bottles so your sauce stores safely. Prep ingredients ahead of time to streamline blending. These small steps keep your kitchen safe and your sauce consistent every time you make it. Sautéing carrots and garlic first gives a sweeter, cooked depth to the sauce, but raw blending keeps it bright and fresh. After blending, simmer the sauce for 5 to 10 minutes to meld flavors and reduce sharpness. Always taste and tweak with extra vinegar, salt, or a little sugar until it sings. Cool before bottling and label with the date so you know when it was made.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.